Welcome to Tally Prime videos. The Sultanate of Oman is introducing value-added tax or VAT on supply of goods and services. Businesses in the Sultanate will have to now include VAT in their transactions and accounting records. Tally Prime is here with release 1.1.3 to help businesses in Oman to meet all the invoicing and bookkeeping requirements to be compliant with VAT. It is very easy to get Tally Prime and procure its license. You can either contact one of our many partners or download the product and buy license directly from our website. Tally Prime's guided installation setup will help you install the product in a single click. License activation is just as easy and is completed in 2 simple steps. You can start using Tally Prime to maintain VAT compliant business records almost immediately after installation. Begin by creating your company in Tally Prime. You can update VAT registration details at any time. Having installed Tally Prime, created a company and enabled VAT, let us now look at masters and VAT compliant billing. Here is how you can create a stock item. Press Alt-G, select Create Master and select Stock Item. Or you can click on Create in the gateway of Tally and select Stock Item. Enter the name and select required options. You can enter taxability and tax rate. You can capture the VAT details such as taxability and tax rate at stock group level or stock item level. Click on Yes in the Accept button to save. You can enable language alias to enter the name of the item in Arabic. All your accounting masters are created under ledgers. You can create ledgers for your suppliers under the group Sundry Creditors. In the ledger master, choose VAT registration type as registered or not registered and enter their VAT registration number. Similarly, create ledgers for customers under Sundry Debtors. The sales and purchase ledgers are created under sales accounts and purchase accounts respectively. You can also create duty ledgers. These are used to apply tax in the transactions. Now that all the required masters are in place, you can start recording VAT compliant invoices. Let us take an example of a sales transaction to see how the tax is calculated. In sales invoice, select the party and sales ledger, select the stock item being sold and enter the rate and quantity. You record rate inclusive of tax for the item by enabling the option Provide Rate Inclusive of Tax for stock items. You can then select the other items. After all the items are entered, select the VAT tax ledger. Tax is calculated automatically. Click More Details button. Select VAT tax analysis to get the tax break for each item. Save the transaction and print your first VAT invoice with all the details. Tally Prime has bilingual printing capability. You can print VAT compliant tax invoice in single language, English or Arabic. Also in both languages using the bilingual option. From creating masters with tax details to printing invoice in bilingual format, Tally Prime supports Oman VAT requirements of your business. Thank you. For detailed information on Oman VAT, Visit help.talysolutions.com.